They don't they tell us wetin they want use the $4 billion wey be say they want borrow, wetin they want use am do. You know say the APC they tell us say the government want use am do this thing, say the government want use am create job opportunities for us, say the government they want use am build some hospitals, say the government want use the $4 billion to do social amenities to make the betterment for the betterment of this country. Na im they want use am do. The federal government now don't tell us the main reason, don't tell us the reason wey be say they want borrow the money gone. They tell us say the $4 billion now for railway construction, say they want construct railway. Okay, we can't dey happy say they want construct railway within Nigeria. Because of say no be within Nigeria. Okay, now from where you want construct railway? It talk say from Kano. We go carry the railway come from Kano to where? To Niger Republic. What it concern Nigeria with Niger Republic? What it concern now? Make I ask the man wey dey my back. Because I don't understand. Yes sir. What it concern Nigeria with Nigeria and Niger Republic? Are we the same thing? I don't know the correlation wey dey between this our president and Niger Republic and Chad. I don't understand why we say you go borrow money to construct railway from Nigeria here to the Republic. Within the country itself, we need railway. It's talking the money say you want use and build railway within this country now. We talk say okay, say now us will benefit them. Wetin go be the business between us and the Republic? In the Republic, they not be US. They will be say they are this thing, their economy good. In the Republic, they are among the poorest country for the world. Not be better, not be one kind better country. We be say we go benefit from them. Wetin can happen? We no understand how you go borrow that kind of money, $4 billion, just to build railways from here to the Republic. Wetin dey happen? I don't understand this country. I don't understand again. No. Many things dey on ground. Maybe say we need money for. Yes sir. Many things dey. E be like say all these aides, wey they call them, all these people wey dey closer to our president, no, they tell the president the situation of the country. E be like say our president no say inflation dey this country. E be like say our oga no know say things dey happen for this country. Say our economy in bad. E be like say our president no know say naira they fall, dollar they rise. I don't understand because this $4 billion now where you want use construct railway, suppose use down do normal thing. We say go make betterment for this country. We say everybody go they enjoy. Now railway we want the chop. I don't understand. Now railway we want chop. Now person where they alive go they told us okay you want enter railway from Kano to Niger Republic. What we want do for Niger Republic self? What we want go do there? I beg, if you want to do railway, yes sir, if you want to do railway, try construct from Nigeria here to USA, or try construct from Nigeria here to where again, to maybe to UK. You go say people go praise you, Nigerians go praise you, but in the Republic, who did they help? Who they help? Their economy no good. We they borrow, the thing they affect our money, they affect our economy for a year. You can't talk to you go use and beat the railway. Doctors they on strike. People they die 247. Our security, the thing is bad. Dollar they rise, naira they fall, food they cost. You can't they talk say the money you borrow, the $4 billion say now for railway from Kano to Niger Republic. Why? What happen? What happen? Don't we have things to do with our money here? Don't we have better things to do for this country? I don't understand you, sir. I seriously, I don't understand. The situation of this country, don't they tire me? I tell you, they tire me. I tell you, average Nigerians don't be afford 3 square meal again. We never afford 3 square meal, and we they borrow this money. You talk say now for the betterment of this country. Now the federal government they tell us say now to build the railway. So now railway now we Nigerians now go the chop. I no can't know if the president now one list in waiting. They always call them after they finish tenure say okay now this thing we waiting we achieve for this for the 8 years we use. So He go talk say in construct railway from Kano to Nigeria Republic. I don't know, maybe Nigeria Republic, na Nigeria also. I don't know. Everything our president they have concern with people where they abroad. Past week we say in the govern. I don't understand. Nigeria self, we need railway for year. Southeast they need railway. West everywhere we need better railway for year. Why control to Nigeria Republic now? What's happening? The more you think of this country stuff, the more you're gonna get headache. Because I know say this morning now they don't approve them already, and our naira now don't become 570 or 580. Very soon it will become 600 naira per dollar. Imagine. And they don't see anything to do to reduce them. They don't see anything to do to help our naira. They don't see anything to do to help the economic situation of this country. No problem. I can move on to that headline. See you in my next edition. My name now MC Top Secrets.